Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video we're going to be learning how to set up Unity Engine on your Windows PC. So let's get started. You open your web browser and you type in download Unity. Then you click on the first link, which should take you to the Unity official website, and then you click on download for Windows. So this should start the download process automatically, and then it should download the Unity app. So I will cancel this because I already have it downloaded. So after the download process is done, you launch your Unity app setup, and then you install the Unity app. Install with the default settings. I already have it installed, so after the installation is done, you launch your Unity app. So this is the screen you have, and then you sign in. If you're new, you just create an account with you can create an account with the Google Gmail. So you sign in. So I will sign in with the Gmail. So after logging in, you should have this screen right here. This screen right here. Well, there shouldn't be any projects here, so you'd have this screen right here. So you go over to the Installs tab, and then you click on Install Editor. So after clicking on the Install Editor, you should have this screen, and then you choose the version you want to install. So for the long-term support, there's 2022, there's 2021, and then you can go for other versions as well. But so yeah, let's go for the 2023.2. So you click on install, and then unselect this one, and then you choose the platforms you want to install as well. So you can install for Android, iOS. So you choose the platform you want. But remember, keep this one checked off. The reason is this one is a Microsoft Visual Studio, and then there are other ones you can use as well, but I prefer to use Visual Studio Code other than the Microsoft Visual Studio community. So well, you can also choose to install this one if you want, but for me, I'll keep it unchecked. And then you click on continue, and then you accept terms and conditions, click on install, and then that should start the download process. I'm going to cancel this because I already have a version installed. So it will take a while to download and install everything. So you open your browser again, and then you go for download VS Code. You click on the first link, which will take you to the official website, code.visualstudio.com, and then you click on the Windows. we should start the download process automatically. See, so I will cancel this because I already have it installed. And then once it's done, you need to also download .NET SDK. So you click on the first link, which should take you to .NET.Microsoft.com. And then the current version is the 8.0, so you click on that. And then that should start the download process. And then the next thing you need to download as well is download .NET Framework. You click on the first link as well, and then you scroll down, and then you select the version you want. So this is the current one, 8.1, 4.8.1. So we click on that, and then you scroll down to offline installer. Right, so we want to install this offline, and then you click on that, and that should start the download process automatically. So I will cancel this as I already have it installed. So you go ahead and then install all those softwares. Once you have them installed, you launch your Visual Studio Code. Launching your Visual Studio Code, you should have a screen like this. And then we go over to this side and select the extensions. So first of all, we search for the C# extension. And then we install this C# extension by Microsoft. So you're going to have an install button right here. So you click on that to install. And then after that, we install this extension as well, Unity Code Snippets. So that should be it for the Visual Studio Code setup. So after that, you open your Unity Hub. Once you have your editor installed, you click on New Project. And so there are a couple of templates you can use, but for this tutorial, we'll be creating an empty project, a 3D empty project. And you give your project a name. Let's call it my game project, and that should create a Unity project. So here we have it. The project is being created, and after that it will automatically open the project. So after the project is done creating, you should open the Unity editor with the project like this, and then you should see something like this on your screen. So that'll be it for this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.